It's on the tip of my finger.
A band-aid might not work.
I must not use this finger until the cut heals.
It might take a day or two to heal.
Do you smell that?
Oh, yes.
I can't stand cigarette smoke.
It smells so bad.
One cigarette stinks up the whole sidewalk.
Smokers think they are so cool.
They are so weak.
A little cigarette controls them.
They look so stupid taking a puff.
And then they blow smoke out of their mouth.
They think it's cool.
Cigarettes stink.
Do you have a cold?
Yes, I do.
How did you get it?
My sister had a cold. She gave it to me.
Have you taken anything for your cold?
No, I just blow my nose a lot.
Your nose is stopped up?
Yes. I have to breathe through my mouth.
Have you tried nose drops?
No, I don't like nose drops.
They work great.
I don't care. I don't like to put drops in my nose.
Would you put suntan lotion on my back, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
You shouldn't lie in the sun for too long.
I want to get a tan. I don't want to look so pale.
What's wrong with looking pale?
People think you might be sick.
Who thinks that?
I don't know.
It's better to be pale than to have skin cancer.
I know that.
So why are you arguing with me? Don't lie in the sun too long.
I can't quit smoking.
Of course you can.
I don't have enough willpower.
Of course you do.
I wish I had never started.
So does every smoker.
I've tried to quit so many times.
So has everyone else.
Nothing seems to work.
All it takes is willpower, and you have it.
Then why can't I quit?
You have to believe in yourself.
My back is killing me.
What did you do?
I got out of my car.
That's it?
I injured my back one time just by sneezing.
You should see a doctor.
My doctor said I need surgery.
So?
So, forget it.
You don't have the money.
I have no insurance.
Maybe a back rub would help.
My brother smokes 3 packs a day.
3 packs of what?
Cigarettes, of course.
How can he do that?
When he is almost finished with one cigarette, he uses it to light another.
He's a chain smoker.
He's been a chain smoker for 30 years.
That's unbelievable. Can he still breathe?
He can, but the people around him can't.
How can he still be alive?
His doctor says his heart and lungs are strong and healthy.
Maybe I should start smoking.
I hate brushing my teeth.
It's such a chore.
Brush, brush. Spit, spit.
What did they do in the old days?
They brushed with their fingers.
They also ate with their fingers.
Why do they call it the good old days?
Maybe because they didn't have to brush and floss.
Who invented flossing?
A dentist, I'm sure.
I hate flossing more than brushing.
I can't wait till all my teeth fall out.
Let's stop for a while. I need a break and some water.
This trail is hard to climb.
Especially on a hot day like this.
I can't believe we haven't seen any animals.
Thank goodness. I don't want to see any wild animals.
All we've seen so far is a couple of lizards.
We're hiking to lose weight, not to see goats and bears.
I bet I've lost a couple of pounds already.
All you've lost is some sweat.
I haven't even lost 1 pound of fat.
If you want to lose fat, you've got to do this hike every day.
Okay, but let's hike in town. At least there are cats and dogs to see.
Oh no, another pimple on my face.
Pimples suck.
It seems like I get a new pimple almost every day.
Maybe it's something in your diet.
No, I eat the same things day after day.
Then maybe it's in your genes.
You might be right.
Do pimples run in your family?
Not that I've noticed.
Well, maybe it's from the pollution in the air.
Whatever the cause, I hate seeing them on my face.
Well, on the bright side, they're fun to pop.
Do you believe everything you hear?
I don't believe anything I don't see with my own eyes.
You can't believe what you hear on TV or radio.
You can't believe what you read in the newspapers.
Everyone tells you a different story about the same thing.
3 different people will give you 3 different stories.
And the government will give you a fourth story.
Yes, like the government says not to worry about the swine flu.
But the swine flu just killed 20 people in Mexico.
The government says we have nothing to worry about.
Then why are some schools telling the kids to stay home?
The government says to wash our hands frequently, and we'll all be okay.
Don't pick your nose.
I wasn't picking my nose.
What were you doing?
I was scratching my nose.
I think I know the difference between picking and scratching.
Okay, Mom, maybe I was picking it a little bit.
Use a tissue next time.
I didn't have a tissue.
Then wait till you find a tissue.
I couldn't wait. It was an emergency.
Oh, really? Maybe you should have called 911.
It wasn't that kind of emergency.
Our TV remote is filthy.
Yes, it's covered with crud.
I'm going to clean it.
Don't use water on it.
I'll use a damp cloth.
Don't let water get into any of the cracks.
I'll squeeze the cloth so it's almost dry.
Don't rub the numbers off the remote.
I will rub gently but firmly.
Do it quickly, please, so I can change channels during commercials.
I'll give it back to you in a couple of minutes.
Maybe we should put it in a plastic bag to keep it clean.
My ear is killing me.
What's the matter?
I was on a plane.
So?
So, every time the plane goes up, my ear starts to hurt.
That's no good.
Sometimes the pain goes away, and sometimes it doesn't.
Have you seen a doctor?
I've been to 2 doctors.
And they couldn't fix your problem?
They both said I have to live with it.
Or you can stay off planes.
Did you see the woman with the new face?
Did she get a nice job?
She got an everything job.
What do you mean?
A team of doctors gave her a whole new face.
Why did they do that?
A mad dog bit most of her face off.
Oh, that's terrible. What does she look like now?
Her face is really fat, but they say the swelling will go down.
And then will she look normal again?
I guess so.
God bless modern medicine.
There's something wrong with my right hand.
What's wrong with it?
It takes most of the time.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. I think it's old age.
If it's old age, why don't both of your hands hurt?
That's a good question. Maybe it's not old age.
Are you right-handed?
Yes. All my life.
You're wearing out your right hand. Stop using it so much.
But I do all my writing with my right hand.
Start typing instead. That way your left hand will do half the work.
Did you see Titanic?
Yes. It is a great movie.
I saw it 12 times.
I saw it 8 times.
I have the DVD.
So do I.
Let's go to your home.
We can watch my DVD.
And then we can go to my home.
And watch your DVD.
I always cry at the end.
Me too. It's so sad.
Let's play cards.
I don't know any card games.
I'll teach you one.
Okay. What will you teach me?